In relation to the audio mixer, I'd like to now discuss track names, as here in the mixer there is a channel strip for each audio track, and they are linked with a track name. I can see here, for example, the channel strip for track 1VA. What this means is that this channel strip will adjust the volume of my original soundtrack from track 1VA. And so, obviously, the channel strip 1A is related to my track 1A in the timeline, the track which has my music on it. Now, it would be more practical, especially when working with multiple tracks, to be able to label these strips somewhat better. And to do this, we can rename the tracks. I'll show how here. I'll move my recording area a little bit upwards, and then I'll click with my right mouse button here in the track header. And at the bottom of the context menu, we can see the function rename. If I select this, I can type a name for my track. For example, original. Now, however, I can see that in the audio mixer, the name for my track is a little bit too long, as I can't read it entirely. So, I'll change the name to a more practical and shorter name. Once again, with the right mouse button, choose Rename, and now I'll specify a shortened version of original, for example, ORG. Now we can read it in its entirety. I'll also rename track 1A, so once again, right mouse button, and then from the context menu, Rename, and I'll call this track Music. And up here we can see that the word music can be read in its entirety in the channel strip, so I don't need to shorten this one.